Maybe you want that vertical or portrait viewing experience. You have the luxury with this stand. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the INNOCN 27-inch gaming monitor. I did receive this sample to try out, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Stand installation is tool free, so we're able to just line the two pieces up like so, just like that, and drop it into place. And now we can just finger tighten this screw down here. There is a slot if you wanted to use a flathead or a Phillips head, but it's not going to be necessary. Just till it's nice and snug, then you can fold that flat. Now we have the stand installed, and it's time to take the stand and snap it into the base of our monitor here. So let's go ahead, just like so. We have two lips up there at the top that we need to line up and gently snap in place, and now we can stand the monitor upright. So this stand features height adjustment. There's our maximum height, there's our minimum height, or you can land somewhere in between. We have a nice tilt. We can tilt forward or tilt backwards. We also have rotation, so we can rotate it to the left or to the right. It's great that we have that awesome pivoting. We can also change our viewing experience here. Maybe you want that vertical or portrait viewing experience. You have the luxury with this stand. I also want you to know that you can rotate it both ways, which is great. So pick and choose whatever one works best for you right there. Let me show you it from the side. You can get a feel for the tilt. So there's our max tilt down, and there's our max tilt back. Show you our lovely swivel again. And with this particular stand, it's really cool. The cable management is built into the base itself. You'll see right here, we can actually pull this off, and we have our cable channel tucked away right in here. So there we go. We can route our cables up and through to connect to our monitor, and then we can just hide it with this, just like that. Pretty neat.